I'm gonna add a short clip to be used for this demo. Now, we will add an adjustment clip. Go to the effects library. At the toolbox, choose Effects. And choose Adjustment Clip. Drag the adjustment clip to the video clip and drop this to the keyframe on which you want to start the Encircle motion. Right-click the adjustment clip and choose Open in Fusion page. Or you can jump to the Fusion page directly. Disconnect Media In to Media Out for the meantime by clicking the line or connection. Click anywhere in this black area node to release Media In. Now add an ellipse node. Then add background node. Lastly, add merge node. Now connect the ellipse node to background node, then background node to merge node. Then connect media in to merge node, then merge node to media out node. Now click or go back to the ellipse node and go to Inspector. Uncheck the solid checkbox so that our ellipse becomes an outline. Set the border width to 0.003 or depending on your thickness preference or to your desired settings. Adjust the size of the circle and drag it to the object that you want to encircle. I'm gonna zoom this in a little bit and adjust the circle size. Now go to the background node. At the inspector, change the color of the circle depending on your preference or the color that you want. In this example, I will use red. Go back to the ellipse node. At the inspector, adjust the angle to 90. Set length to 0. Put mark in the first keyframe that you want the encircle motion to start. At the inspector, in length, click diamond to set this as the first keyframe. Count 10 to 15 keyframes and set this as your end keyframe. Depending on how fast you want the encircle motion will move. Adjust the length value from 0 to 1. Click any frames to release. You will notice that you will have two white marks, which is your starting and end keyframe of the encircle action. Click play button to test. You can go back to edit page to view your timeline and play the clip. Encircle motion will happen and disappear after a certain keyframes. My adjustment clip is set to 5 seconds by default in my setting preference. But you can adjust the clip duration on how long the circle will stay visible in your clip until it disappears. Then play again. That's it. I hope this helps to some beginners in DaVinci Resolve.